Hello everybody, my name is Carson and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I've been wanting this camera for a long time, so let's get into it. Let's open it. Dang it, it's taped. I hate it when they tape it. We're at my dad's house and we opened our presents. It's 4 more days until Christmas. We opened them because me and my brother are not going to be here. So, ooh, I got blue. My brother Derek got me it. Yeah, I don't think I have to charge it or anything. Just get the cord out. Oh, I think this is like a waste. I don't know. My dad might come over here and help me because I don't really know how to do this. Hello, Derek.
Where is it?
What?
The track.
Oh, it's in our room.
Oh. Are you recording yourself?
Yeah, I'm doing an unboxing video. Ah. Got the batteries, got the camera. I like this a lot. Comment down below if you guys like it. Then here are the filters, so I can take pictures. Oh, there's 3 inside. Okay.
So you know with that camera you can't just...
We gotta put some filters in. So
no, you can't just take a bunch of pictures. You have to make sure the picture's right before you take it. So it's not like an iPhone where you just take a bunch of pictures and delete them. No, each thing is one picture.
Oh. So in one of these, you can only take one picture and then it's done.
Yep.
Oh, okay. How do I put it in? I put it. I don't think I put it in like that. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, so here's it unboxed. And other ones. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.